Hi, this is Mr. Hood. I'm in Monument Valley in Navajo Nation, and I'm going to tell you how to add negative numbers. Let's start with 6 plus negative 10. If we look at it on a number line, and we start at 0, if you look at the first integer is positive 6. So that means we're going to move forward 6 spaces. The second integer is negative 10. So that means we're going to start from that spot and move backwards 10 spaces. Where are we going to end up? We're going to end up down here at negative 4. So 6 plus negative 10 apparently is negative 4. Let's try it another way. You can also look at these two numbers and determine, are the signs same or different? If they were the same, we would add the two absolute values. But since they're different, we're going to subtract the two absolute values. So what does that mean? We're actually going to do 10 minus 6. Well, 10 minus 6 is 4. And then we're going to steal the sign from the bigger absolute value. So since negative 10 has the bigger absolute value and the sign in front of it is negative, we're going to steal that sign and use it in the answer. So again, confirming what we thought before is that 6 plus negative 10 is negative 4. Let's take a look at negative 4 plus 9. If we start on the number line, the first integer tells us to go backwards 4, but the second integer tells us to move forward 9. We're going to end up at positive 5. So negative 4 plus 9 is positive 5. Let's try it the integers way. Signs again are different, so we're going to subtract the two absolute values. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then we're going to steal the sign from the bigger absolute value. Well, the bigger absolute value here is 9, and it's positive. So again, we confirm that negative 4 plus 9 is positive 5. Now, the last one, let's look at it number line wise. We start at 0, we go backwards 2, but then we go backwards 5, so we're going to end up at negative 7. So apparently negative 2 plus negative 5 is negative 7. Let's try it using the rules we just talked about. Well, signs same or different. They're actually the same, and that means we're going to add the two absolute values. Well, 2 plus 5 is 7. But as we did before, we're going to steal the sign in front of the bigger number. Well, both numbers are negative. Answer again confirmed, negative 2 plus negative 5 is negative 7. So in conclusion, there's always two ways to look at adding of negative numbers. You can look at it on the number line. The first number is always going to tell you how to move first. The second number is always going to tell you how to move secondarily. Or you can examine the signs. If the signs are the same, you add the two absolute values. If the signs are different, you're going to subtract the two absolute values. Then you're going to look at the original numbers. If the bigger absolute value is positive, your answer is positive. If the bigger absolute value is negative, your answer is going to be negative.